In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Eraser in Microsoft Word. If you're working with tables in Microsoft Word, the Eraser tool can be useful when you want to remove specific lines or combine cells without deleting the content inside them. It gives you more control over the structure of your table and makes it easier to adjust the layout. First, open your Microsoft Word document and locate the table that you want to edit. Once you have your table ready, click inside the table so that the table tools become available. Now look at the top of Microsoft Word and open the Layout tab under the Table Tools section. Depending on your version of Word, you may see different table options appear when the cursor is inside the table. From the table options, look for the Eraser tool. Click on Eraser to activate it. Once the Eraser tool is active, your mouse pointer will change to indicate that you can erase parts of the table. You can now move the pointer over a table line that you want to remove. For example, if you have two cells that you want to combine, you can use the Eraser tool on the line separating those cells. Click or drag across the line you want to remove. When the line is erased, the two cells will become one larger cell. The text inside the cells will remain depending on the area you are editing, so you can continue adjusting the table without having to recreate it. You can use the same method on other lines in the table. This is helpful when you want to create a custom table layout where some sections need to be larger or combined. The Eraser tool is especially useful for tables because it lets you remove individual borders without removing the entire table or its contents. When you're finished using the Eraser tool, you can exit the tool and continue editing your document normally. This prevents you from accidentally removing other table lines while working on the rest of your document. If you make a mistake while using the Eraser tool, you can undo the change using the Undo option in Microsoft Word. So, whenever you need to remove a specific line from a table, remember to click inside the table, open the Table Tools Layout tab, select the Eraser tool, and then click the line you want to remove. And that's how you can use the Eraser tool in Microsoft Word to adjust and customize the layout of your tables. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel,